Okay, since this epidemic, pandemic, whatever it is, this COVID-19 is going around, it's hard to go to the cleaners and get your clothes cleaned. Most of the times, most of them are closed, or they don't open early enough and they close too soon. So first, what you want to do, I'm going to show you how I starch my pants. Just get everything together and make sure you wash these first before you start starching them. But what you want to do is line up your seams and make sure they are lined up right, because I've seen some people with some starch jeans that's the seam, the starch is not right down the center of the leg, it's off to the side, and that it don't look good. But first, make sure you put those seams together. And I'm going to show you on the back part, the butt part, you want to make sure your pockets are lined up like this. You don't want your pockets, the starch right in the middle of your back pockets. So this starch right here, throw that stuff away. This is what you need, the Sta Flo. You can get this at Walmart. You can order it in the description below off Amazon. But I'm going to show you, and on the back it gives you directions. Say if you want light starch, it gives you the mixtures. I think it's 6 cups of 1. I want the extra heavy, so I don't dilute it any. So it don't make no sense to dilute it. So just shake it and get you one of these empty containers. If you got some containers laying around, and you can go to the dollar store and pick these up for $1 or $2. But I don't put water in mine. It ain't too thick, and if you can see it, I'm gonna hold it up here for you so you can see some of it. It's not really thick. It's look like it's already been diluted, but this is what it looks like. So what you want to do is take your pants and you want to make sure the seams are still lined up and get as many wrinkles out as you can with your hand. Or you can take your iron and just go across it really quick. And then what you want to do is take your starch and soak it. As you can see how I'm spraying this all, and you're going to do all 4 sides. And when you finish doing this, let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, however you want to, while you're doing something else. Or you can just start ironing right now, but I let mine sit for about 10 minutes. And the only reason I'm doing this is because of cleaners. I usually take these to the cleaners because I really don't have time. This process right here, just ironing one pair of jeans, it takes about an hour. To be honest with you, it's going to take you about an hour, or you can get one of those press. I've seen a lot of people buy these press irons that you can buy off Amazon. I put the link below also for those. They said it works really fine. I haven't ever used them, but you just put your jeans in it part of a minute and you press it. Just pull the press down and it press it. So as you can see, I'm putting starch on all 4 sides, and I'm going to let it soak for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to start my ironing process. And everybody got their own different techniques on how they want to iron. It doesn't matter, just as long as you going back and forth and getting all this starch out of it. You don't need no steam. Put it on dry iron. And you can see I start on that back leg first and just go back and forth. And you want to make sure all the starch is gone. You don't, like on this first leg, you don't have to get it all out because it's going to continue to dry when you're ironing the other parts of your pants. So just go back and forth, side to side. Just get all the wrinkles out. And like I said before, make sure that your seams on your pants are lined up together. And when you first get started, you're going to get some of these little flakes from this starch, but once it gets heated up and soaked into your pants, all of that is gone away. Okay, I'm going to put the finish touches here on it. Make sure it's no more damp spots here on my jeans. And like I said, it did take about an hour to get this done. So if I was you, I'd just go ahead and take them to the cleaners. As soon as the cleaners open back up, that's what I'm doing. But this is the final look at it. I'm gonna zoom in on it. There's no damp parts on it. It's dry. And what you want to do, once you finish, get you a hanger and hang them up. If you want to spend all day Sunday, Saturday or Sunday, you can do about 10 pairs in about 10 hours. So if you got 10 hours to sit around and iron clothes, here you go. I've seen my nephew spend 4 hours on one pair of jeans. 4 hours. But you could stand them jeans up and you probably could wear them for about maybe 2-3 weeks if you don't get them dirty. The jeans would stand up. But I spend about an hour on these. I'm just go ahead and put them on my hanger. And this is the final product. So if COVID-19 is keeping the cleaners closed, we got to go back to the old-fashioned way and start doing things ourselves. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.